This is Nyxi Gaming's newest controller for the Nintendo Switch. Now it retails for about $50 on Amazon. I'll throw a link in the description, or you can check it out on their website. I also have a discount code in the link in the description as well, so if you use the code then you'll save more money on this product if you decide to purchase it. Now it comes in white, black, and I believe a transparent version for the colors. So you have lots of different available options. So if you like this controller, you'll have many different ways to play with it. It does have RGB, so more frame rate on your controller. And it comes with a little pad here so you can play it in a full controller size, as opposed to the Joy-Con ones on the Nintendo Switch, the original with the Joy-Cons. Those ones suck, which I'll go and get in the comparison right now. So this is the Nintendo Switch right here. It is very discreet, as you can see. It's very slim, very nice, but it's meant for smaller hand people. If you want a better comfort grip, this one is able to do that. It also acts as a kickstand as well, so you don't have to use the actual kickstand that's built in with the Nintendo Switch. You can use this and it's stable. It's really nice. Build quality on it is nice. It has 2 Type-C ports. You can use that for faster charging, or you can charge it with the dock. It is dock compatible, so you can use that. Now the actual device here for clipping it in, this is the comparison for both of those. It is very similar to the Nintendo Switch official version. It's slightly larger and wider, so that's that. It is a little bit heavier than the Joy-Cons, but it just works similarly. It's half the cost, and it also uses the Joy-Con strap, so it's compatible with those if you choose to do so. So it's Wii bowling certified. I mean, the Nintendo Switch certified. It also has a turbo button. You can change the colors, change the rumble. You can click it, change colors, go up and down to change the vibration motor, so you can go even intense or lower to go down. And then you have function buttons. You can have back pedals. They also do work with Control Freak, so you have faster movement in FPS games or anything else like that. If you just want a faster movement, as you can see right here, it's just really quick on doing that compared to the one with none. It just doesn't move as fast. It's way quicker, so I highly recommend using Control Freaks if you're able to. This is the Xbox One version, and you also have really good build quality overall. We're gonna get into the gameplay right now. So this is the Super Mario Bros. Deluxe gameplay. You can enjoy the rest of this gameplay, and I'll get into the rest of the review right now. As you can see, it works normally as a Joy-Con, and it just works. As you can see, I can zoom in. I can use it as a normal Joy-Con. I could tilt the ball. This is not Wii Sports. I keep wanting to call it Wii Sports. This is Nintendo Sports, the newest one that came out with the newest gyroscope. On Mario, you can do the spin attack. If you shake it, you can spin. You do all that. It just works. It's really helpful. It works. If you wanted to play soccer on this, Switch Sports, whatever, you can do that. I played it at my cousin's house and then I bought it. It's just an amazing game, and I know I failed that, so there we go. So yeah, it's really simple, really easy. I love this. I'm gonna go and show you another game real quick, just to show you that this actually does work. I'm gonna go do the brawl with a computer probably. As you see, it mentioned the strap. And like I mentioned before, you can use the strap. It does work just like normal. And then you can just attach that and it'll work. So we're just gonna go ahead and do this. See, as you can see, it says the controller update, but you don't have to do it. There's a slight input delay as opposed to using the actual Joy-Cons. If I could still beat him, and if it works, then it works, you know? As you can see, it just works. There we go. I just was tempting him, but you know, it does work indeed. What an amazing controller. As you can see, I don't have any controllers near me, and just to double check, I'll go to the controller options. As you can see, it's the only ones that are connected. It pops up as normal Joy-Cons, which is really cool. So they work. It's really nice. It's hard to find good controllers that work gyroscope, have a pretty good input delay. This one has it's not super bad, it's barely noticeable. This controller for over a month, there's not too many scuffs, beats, anything else like that. So it's a really good alternative option for Joy-Cons. It's very comfortable. I actually love holding these just handheld with the console itself. It's really comfortable, and they look super good. They're not too heavy, which is nice. You don't want them to fatigue your hand even further than the normal Joy-Cons, but they do work really well. Like you see here, it does work with the straps, and the buttons do function as actual buttons, so that's a plus. I haven't had them die yet, but if you ever do need to fast charge them, you can use it just like that. Those back paddles as well, I haven't functioned them yet, but you can function them to whatever of the like 8 buttons on the faceplate. So if you want it on D-pad or ABXY, if you just are interested or want to try it out, you can go and do that and let me know your thoughts. Without further ado, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.